Hey you guys, and welcome back. I have been to Beya and have a very fun little jewelry haul to share with you, so stick around. Welcome back, you guys, and a huge welcome to those of you that may be new here to DeeVine Deals. Some of you didn't even know this channel existed, but I'm glad you found your way here because on this channel is where I like to show you all the good bargains that I'm finding around town and couponing deals. So you're going to find a lot of fun things on this channel, and today it's super fun because it's all about jewelry. So let's jump right on in. If you guys have been following over on the vlog channel, then you know this past weekend we went to the Florida Mall, and inside the Florida Mall is one of the most amazing stores called Beya. That's right, we took you in there and showed you around just a little bit. Everything was 50% off in the store, you guys. Everything. And the cool thing about it is their jewelry already is at such an incredible price that to knock on that 50% off, oh yes, that was quite the steal. So I was able to find a few things, had to keep myself under control. But trust me, if I would have had more money, I would have brought home a whole lot more because it was just such a good deal. If you guys are in this area and you have a chance to get over there to the Florida Mall, check out Beya. I asked them how long the sale would be going on and they weren't quite sure. So you might want to call first, make sure that it's still happening. But even if not, it's definitely worth checking out that little store just because of the good values that are their everyday prices. But nonetheless, let's jump right on into the goodies. First thing that I picked up was this gorgeous little set right here. Check out how beautiful this necklace and earring set is, you guys. Absolutely love it, love it. Love the way that it reflects light on there. This right here was regularly priced at $10 and I picked it up for just $5. Now that's a bargain. Next up was this super adorable little bracelet. Oh my goodness, I am absolutely in love with it. The color of this is kind of between a rose gold and a gold. It's almost really more, I think, along the lines of a champagne. So beautiful. Just look at the different chains on there. It also has some of the little rhinestones that make it look like a tennis bracelet, and check out the clasp. Ah, yes, loving those little rhinestones on there. Absolutely gorgeous if you like that multi-bracelet tiered look, and I do. I love it. This right here was regularly priced at $4.50 and I was able to pick it up for just $2.25. Next up, I took advantage of some of their rings. Almost every ring in the store was regularly priced at $6, meaning I was able to pick them up for just $3. Now, mind you, this is all costume jewelry. I don't have any idea yet about how long it's going to last, but based on the quality and what this looks like, I'm going to guess it's probably going to last about as long as any of my other costume jewelry, meaning it's all in how you take care of it. Now, if you wash your hands a lot and use a lot of soap, not real sure that these will last an extravagant length of time, but for just $3, even if you got just a couple of parties wear out of them, it's worth the purchase price to me. Here's the first one that I picked up. Oh, check out how beautiful that is. I absolutely love huge statement pieces, especially because I'm a little bit larger boned of a girl, and big watches and big rings and all that kind of stuff I feel just looks better on me. So loving this one. Then check out this one. This one almost looks like a little bit of a butterfly, and I'm not usually real big on like butterfly jewelry or any of that kind of stuff, but something about this ring was just absolutely gorgeous. I love how it takes up almost that entire lower third of my finger, and just, oh, I just thought it was absolutely gorgeous. And look how it bounces that light around. Yes! And then lastly, I picked up this super cute little set right here. This is a 3-piece set and thought it was just so pretty. You can wear these all together as a set, or you can split these up and you can have a little pinky ring maybe on one finger and then wear the others on different places, maybe have some now for each hand, however you want to put those together. But absolutely thought those were gorgeous. So there you go. That's my little bit of a jewelry haul. I love all these pieces so very much, and you definitely can't beat those prices. Cannot beat those prices. So again, if you were in that area, I suggest you just run in there and try it, or at least give them a call first, see if they're still having that 50% off deal, because such a great value for what you can find. Love it, love it. All right, so I want to thank you so much for sitting here with me, taking a look at my jewelry today. You know, girls, we love that show and tell when it comes to pretty jewelry. Until next time, I hope that you will get out there and get you some DeeVine deals. I'll see you soon in the next video.